YouTube people. Look at this beautiful day today. Beautiful. January 15, 2026. Happy New Year to everybody. We're here today because first of all it's a very nice day, and I'm late on a couple of videos. I'm sorry. A couple of videos that I was supposed to do, and with New Year and Christmas and all that, I flunked basically. So today is a good day, January 15. In a couple of days we'll have the Vancouver Motor Show and outdoor thingy in Abbotsford at the TradeX, and apparently Yamaha Canada has a surprise for us. Ooh, a surprise. I'm hoping to see the new 2026 Tenere 700, but you know, could be something else. Alright, see what we updated. Apparently the European version has been updated like crazy. So I'm curious about that. Well, we're here today, we're here to test two things. First of all, this camera angle, which I am not sure about. So this video might be like completely useless because I'm just filming nothing. I don't know what it's pointing out. Yeah, so I might have to redo it on the way back. That's what I'm saying. The second thing we're testing today is the cruise control. I don't know if you see it here. I put on the Canadian made, please, Veridian Cruise control from our friend in Alberta. Excellent little device, very simple, very effective. I will show you in a minute how it works, so stay tuned. There we go. We're on the HOV, that should be a safe place. I'm going just a smidge above the speed limit because everybody here is very impatient. So let's talk about this device here. Again, my camera angle might be terrible, so I have to redo this. Very effective, like I say, made in Alberta, Calgary. I did not make an install video because they have one on the website for T7, and it's pretty much a perfect video. It explains everything, good angles and all that. So no need to redo it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a live test. So here you go. So I'll show you. So if I press the very like the sign that everybody knows, the cruise control sign, boom, I'm at here. I can let go of my hand. I'm at 19. If I want to go a little bit higher, I'm going to press the upper button, and it slowly goes up, slowly goes up, slowly goes up. And yeah, if I want to deactivate, I have two choices. I can roll my throttle the opposite way, like this, forward. I can tap the brakes, and I think that's pretty much it. If I touch the clutch, nothing happens. Alright, so very simple. Press the bottom one to set, then up and down to manage your speed, and the button in the middle is just to cancel everything. If I was happy with my previous speed, which I am not now because someone is behind me, if I was happy with my previous speed, I could just press the top button, the plus, and it will actually resume the previous speed, which is nice because I was at around 100 something. So, and yeah, that's it. That's it. So cool, so simple. Don't need to rack your brain about it. It claims that you can use it all the way down to 30 kilometers an hour. Unfortunately, I was not able to make that work. I think I need to be in third gear to make it work, and 30 kilometers in third gear is not gonna work. The bike doesn't like it. So there you have it. But otherwise, woo, what a little cute little device. And it fits just like I did not have on my flex bars. I think they are 31 inches wide. I did not have any room left. It was Oh, you can see it's a tight fit for sure. I'm gonna slow down here because I see people slowing down, so I don't want to smack someone or hear professional of lane jumpers also. Specialty, Vancouver specialty. Yeah, called it! Hey, what you doing? Putain, I just called it. Did I film that? Yeah, I filmed that. Yeah, come on. Professional lane jumpers in Vancouver. I have all my lights, you guys. I got my high beams, I got my running lights, I got my auxiliary yellow light. Wow. Don't care. Can't judge the speed of nothing.
A few moments later. I'm gonna try not to get murdered, and I'm gonna leave you. You see, yield, no care. Like, I'm so glad I'm filming right now. Okay, so I'm gonna yell at this guy. Hey, did you see the yield? Yeah. Did you see the yield? You can't kill someone like that. Yeah. Please go. Thanks. I apologize. Huh? Where are they from? Anyway, what an adventure. I'm still filming. Yeah, before getting cut off like 3 times in a span of 5 minutes, I was gonna say goodbye. Have a good day. Ride your ride. Have fun out there. Be safe. Subscribe. Don't subscribe. Oh my god. And all the above. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.